When it comes to camping, having the right tools can make all the difference. A reliable camping knife is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're preparing food, setting up camp, or handling emergencies, the best camping knives offer versatility, durability, and efficiency. In this video, we'll explore 7 top-notch camping knives that are designed to meet all your outdoor needs. From tactical blades to multifunctional tools, these knives promise to deliver exceptional performance. Let's dive into our list of the top 7 camping knives that will elevate your outdoor experiences. Number 1. Long Blade Folding Knife Sharp Tactical Work Knife is a versatile and robust tool ideal for various camping tasks. Featuring a sleek, full-length blade, this knife is designed for precision and durability. The blade is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it remains sharp and resistant to corrosion. Its folding design enhances portability and safety when not in use. The handle is ergonomically crafted, providing a secure grip even in wet conditions. The tactical work knife includes a reliable locking mechanism that prevents accidental closure during use. This feature is particularly useful when performing intricate tasks such as food preparation or crafting survival gear. With its streamlined design and high functionality, this knife is a solid choice for both seasoned campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Additionally, the long blade folding knife excels in terms of usability. Its sharp edge and sturdy construction make it effective for cutting through various materials, from rope to wood. The tactical knife's durability ensures it withstands the rigors of outdoor use, maintaining its performance over time. Whether you're a hunter, camper, or survivalist, this knife's versatility and reliability make it a valuable addition to your gear collection.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. GVDV Folding Pocket Knife He10 Handle in silver combines elegance with practicality. This knife features a sleek silver blade made from premium stainless steel, which ensures a sharp edge and long-lasting performance. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the folding mechanism enhances safety when the knife is not in use. One of the standout features of this knife is its He10 handle. He10 is known for its durability and resistance to impact, making it an ideal material for a camping knife handle. The textured surface of the handle provides a secure grip, even in challenging conditions. This ensures that you can handle the knife comfortably and safely during various outdoor activities. In terms of usability, the GVDV folding pocket knife is highly efficient. The blade opens smoothly and locks securely, allowing for precise control during use. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a pocket or backpack, making it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable knife without the bulk. Whether you're cutting through food or performing small tasks around the campsite, this knife delivers consistent performance and reliability. Number 3. Mushroom Knife Folding Camping Truffles Knife is a specialized tool designed for foraging and culinary tasks. Its unique blade shape is optimized for harvesting mushrooms and truffles, featuring a curved edge that facilitates clean cuts without damaging the surrounding environment. This knife is an excellent choice for campers who enjoyed foraging or need a tool for precise cutting. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the blade offers excellent sharpness and durability. The folding design ensures that the knife remains compact and easy to carry, while the locking mechanism provides safety during use. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, with a non-slip grip that ensures control even when handling delicate items. The mushroom knife is not only effective for foraging, but also versatile for other outdoor tasks. Its compact size and specialized blade make it a valuable addition to any camping kit. The knife's durability and sharpness ensure it performs well over time, making it a reliable choice for both seasoned foragers and casual campers. Its unique design and functionality set it apart from standard camping knives. Number 4. Petrified Fish G10 Handle D2 Steel Blade Knife is a premium option for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a D2 steel blade, this knife offers superior edge retention and toughness. D2 steel is known for its hardness and resistance to wear, making it an excellent choice for demanding tasks. The blade is meticulously crafted to ensure sharpness and precision. The handle of the Petrified Fish knife is made from G10, a material known for its strength and durability. The textured surface of the handle provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions, ensuring safety and control during use. The knife's design incorporates a reliable locking mechanism, which prevents accidental closure and enhances overall safety. In terms of usability, the Petrified fish knife excels in versatility and effectiveness. It is suitable for a wide range of tasks, from preparing food to handling survival situations. The knife's rugged construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, making it a reliable tool for any camping adventure. With its high-quality materials and thoughtful design, this knife offers exceptional performance and durability. Number 5. GSI Outdoors Santoku Knife Set in Grey is designed for campers who value versatility and precision in their cooking tools. This set includes 3 Santoku knives, each with a unique blade size, to handle various food preparation tasks. The Santoku blade design is renowned for its ability to perform slicing, dicing, and mincing with ease, making it ideal for campsite cooking. Each knife in the set is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring sharpness and durability. The knives feature ergonomic handles that provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The set also includes a protective sheath for each knife, enhancing safety and ensuring that the blades remain sharp when not in use. The GSI Outdoors Santoku Knife Set is highly effective for campsite cooking. Its versatility allows campers to prepare a wide range of dishes, from simple meals to elaborate recipes. The durable construction of the knives ensures they can handle the demands of outdoor cooking, while the ergonomic handles and protective sheaths contribute to overall usability and safety. This knife set is a valuable addition to any camping kitchen. Number 6. NedFoss Hyenas Bushcraft Knife with Fire Starter is a comprehensive tool designed for survival and bushcraft enthusiasts. This knife features a robust, full-tongue blade made from high-quality steel, ensuring durability and strength. The blade is designed for a range of tasks, from cutting and carving to preparing kindling for fires. One of the standout features of this knife is its integrated fire starter. The fire starter is housed within the handle and includes a ferro rod for generating sparks. This feature is particularly useful for outdoor enthusiasts who need to start fires quickly and efficiently. The knife also comes with a rugged sheath that includes a belt loop for easy carrying. The NedFoss Hyenas Bushcraft Knife is highly effective for survival situations. Its sturdy construction and integrated fire starter make it a valuable tool for campers, hikers, and bushcrafters. The knife's design ensures it performs well in various conditions, while the fire starter adds an extra layer of functionality. With its versatile features and durable build, this knife is a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. Finally, number 7. GVDV Folding Pocket Knife He10 Handle in Gold combines style with practicality. Featuring a striking gold blade made from high-quality stainless steel, this knife stands out for its aesthetic appeal and performance. The blade offers excellent sharpness and durability, making it suitable for a range of camping tasks. The handle of this knife is made from G10 material, known for its durability and impact resistance. The textured surface provides a secure grip, enhancing safety and control during use. The knife's folding design includes a reliable locking mechanism that prevents accidental closure, ensuring safe operation. In terms of usability, the GVDV folding pocket knife is compact and easy to carry, making it a convenient tool for various outdoor activities. Its sharp blade and sturdy handle make it effective for cutting and handling tasks, while its stylish design adds a touch of elegance. This knife is a versatile and reliable choice for campers who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics. Finding the right camping knife can enhance your outdoor experience, providing you with the tools you need for various tasks and situations. Whether you prioritize durability, versatility, or style, the knives featured in this video offer exceptional performance and reliability. Each knife has unique features tailored to different needs, ensuring that there's a perfect option for every camper. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor tips.